Good morning, everyone. Hope all of you and your family members are safe in this COVID 19 situation. I have not spoken to most of you for a long time, so that's what I thought I should send you at least a video message. I keep talking to ASMs and GSMs, but it's a long time that I have not spoken to you. So, my request to all ASMs and GSMs is to make sure that this video reaches to all our supervisors, SRs, modern trade team, as well as the school team. So let me first thank you, all of you, for putting stupendous efforts in last 4-5 months. I know this is very difficult situation for all the sales team and sales people, but you people have done wonderful job. In fact, Hindustan Pencil team was the first team to reach to the market. In fact, for quite some week, Hindustan Pencil sales team was the only sales team which was working in the market, and that's why it makes one of the best team in the industry, and all of us are very proud of this fact. Now, if all of us has put in so much of efforts in last 4-5 months, why our business, why our numbers are not looking that good? I think that's the question I think we should introspect, and that's the reason I wanted to discuss few things with you people. The first thing which comes to my mind, that our efforts could not deliver numbers, means probably all of the team members have not put their 100% efforts. If we have put in so much of efforts in last 3-4 months, why those efforts has not resulted into a better business? Why we are falling short of our commitments? And that's the question I think each and every one should ask to everyone. Maybe half of the team is putting their best efforts, and probably other half may not be putting the best efforts to deliver the promise. So in this situation, I have to talk to you on few points, and that's the reason I am doing this video call with you people. Now, if you see the situation, we know situation is difficult, but in this difficult situation, with these so many business challenges, Hindustan Pencil management has taken good care of all of us. In fact, we got full salary on time, and probably we are the only company doing this to this extent. Now, there are 4-5 points I want to talk to you. Now, the first point, attitude of a winner, ownership to deliver the promise, whether each and every one of you are doing this. If everybody would have carried this driver's attitude, probably our situation would have been much better than what we are in. I know most of you are taking those 100% efforts. Most of you are carrying that attitude of a driver, but probably all your efforts are getting negated by few passengers still are there in our team, and they are not putting their best efforts. Second most important thing, now we have to learn to live with Corona. That means we have to be careful, but we should not be afraid of Corona now. And that is very important. So we have to take good care of safety, no compromise on safety. So sanitization, social distancing, everything need to be followed. But we cannot be afraid of Corona. I could clearly see those passengers are not really trying their best to come out of the home just because of the fear of Corona. So we have to come out of the house, we have to go to market, we have to start traveling. Then and then probably we can deliver better business than what we are delivering in. Now the third important point, that is stretch agenda. The drivers are following the stretch agenda, but the passengers are probably missing on the stretch agenda. When I look at some numbers, those numbers are not really actually very encouraging in terms of productivity, in terms of number of RDS billed, whether are we billing 100% RDS every month. In fact, range selling and obviously the productivity every day. These are very important parameters if we have to deliver the promise. In fact, when I was looking at some performances of last month, the best SR has delivered almost 40% more growth than the worst SR in every ASM team. And that shows the gap between the driver and the passenger. Now, the next important thing, and when I'm discussing this drivers versus passengers policy, now I should not tell you that who is driver and who is passenger. Each one of you in your heart knows that whether you are a passenger or whether you are a driver. In HPPL 2.0, on the growth path and on the growth journey of Hindustan Pencil, I want all the drivers with me. And I know these drivers can take Hindustan Pencil to the newer heights. But these passengers who are there in the team, they should quickly convert themselves into a driver. I want all of you with me, but I want you as a driver, not as a passenger. So please, it's a wake-up call. I request you people, I request all the passengers in the team, please get yourself into a driver mode so that each and everyone in Hindustan Pencil's team will be a driver. So no place for passengers. Now the last most important thing, I could clearly see many places lockdown is coming back again and again. But let me also tell you my observations. Even in the areas of complete lockdown, all the area is never completely locked down. There are certain pockets in every zone which are still working, which are still open despite of lockdown. For example, if there is a lockdown in the main town, probably as you travel outskirts of the main cities or as you travel towards interiors, probably the intensity of the lockdown decreases. At the same time, in the main cities also, if you go away from the main road or the main market, probably the most of the markets are you will find open. But again, the driver will take every effort to reach to those outlets despite of a lockdown, and probably the passengers may hide behind the BPS of lockdown. That we should not allow. I think that's the 4-5 important points just I wanted to remind you people. But I know this team is a team of performers. There are North K heroes, there are East Eagles, strong Trishul team of South as well as West Warriors. So I know all these teams are capable to get, to get over these challenges what we are looking at this point of time, and we will come back strongly. And this is a good time to remind ourselves that we are the market leaders and we have to behave like a market leaders. I know this is difficult time, but it's not an impossible task to come back on a growth path. Right? We can, we will. Thank you and all the best. Do take care of yourself and your families. All the best.